Welcome to our 2026 update on the latest Google AI releases. We have a lot to cover, so let's dive straight in. Google's AI plans are moving faster than ever, and today we're exploring the latest updates across their entire ecosystem. We are looking at significant leaps forward for Gemini, Search, Workspace, Maps, Chrome, and cloud technologies. It's a packed 5-minute update, so let's get started with the core of Google's AI strategy, Gemini. The Gemini logo itself has evolved, reflecting the deeper integration and more complex processing capabilities added this year. Gemini remains central to Google's AI strategy, effectively becoming the engine powering almost every major consumer and enterprise product. By processing text, images, voice, and video simultaneously, this multimodal AI is becoming more flexible across all formats. We are seeing the rollout of Gemini 3.5, which puts a major focus on stronger reasoning for complex, multi-step tasks. The system can now break down a massive task into manageable, logical steps, leading to more capable research and creation. Perhaps most exciting is Gemini Omni, which merges phone camera, microphone, and document inputs into one seamless interface. Google is pushing towards AI that understands more of your world, allowing you to sketch an idea and have it turned into a project plan. Moving over to Search, your queries are becoming more conversational, providing structured answers for deeper research. Follow-up questions are now handled smoothly, making research feels more like a dialogue than a series of isolated searches. With new visual and live search features, you can search in the moment using your camera, identifying items in the real world. Maps is also getting an AI boost, providing more intelligent routing and place suggestions based on your preferences. For work, the biggest changes are arriving inside Google Workspace. From turning rough notes into polished drafts in docs to simplifying complex formulas in sheets, AI is streamlining everything. Google Drive is also smarter, surfacing important files instantly so you spend less time hunting for information. Beyond standard browsing, Chrome now includes built-in AI summarization, perfect for parsing long articles during your online research. Google AI is becoming more proactive, visual, and connected. Which update are you most excited about? Comment below and subscribe. Looking at the enterprise level, Google is introducing agentic solutions within the cloud platform. These AI agents are designed to connect your email, databases, and customer tools to assist across an entire workflow. Security remains a top priority, with advanced shields protecting company data while maintaining necessary human oversight. Creative tools are also getting a massive update with the introduction of Google Vids. Google Vids uses AI to help you create polished video clips directly from text prompts, making production much faster. These creative tools illustrate how Google is moving toward AI that proactively supports your day-to-day work. The pace of innovation is staggering, but the goal remains the same: building tools that are genuinely useful. We are keeping a close watch on how these tools evolve and how they change our digital interactions. As enterprises adopt these agentic workflows, we expect to see even greater efficiency across the board. Throughout these developments, human oversight remains a fundamental part of Google's security and development strategy. Google AI is moving from reactive to proactive, anticipating your needs before you even ask. It has been an incredible year for Google and the AI landscape as a whole. Which of these updates are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our upcoming deep dives into these new features. We will continue to track Google's progress and bring you the latest tech news as it happens. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.